Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the exact suspension notice and why it occurred. This matters for the appeal. Next, gather the page ID, admin email, a scanned government ID, and screenshots of relevant posts or ads to prove ownership and context. Once done, open Meta Account Quality and Business Manager where appeals happen, and prepare concise factual notes explaining why the page complied with policy. Make sure to timestamp your evidence and have a single clear claim per violation to avoid confusion. You now submit the appeal through Account Quality. Select the exact violation category. Mismatching the reason wastes time. Attach ownership proof and the clearest evidence first: ID, admin emails, purchase receipts, and dated screenshots that show compliance. In the text box, write a short factual explanation: what happened, why the content complies, and any remediation you already performed. Keep sentences direct and include timestamps. Once submitted, note the case number and set reminders to follow up. If you hear nothing in 48, finish by actively monitoring the appeal status and responding quickly to any meta requests. Prompt replies keep your case active. If the appeal is rejected, reassess, add new evidence, simplify your explanation, and cite the exact policy lines you meet. Make sure you removed any problematic posts before reappealing. If you still get no resolution, escalate via business support chat or a verified partner channel. Explain prior steps and provide the case number. One troubleshooting tip: when stuck, submit one focused new appeal with a single.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.